Now we'll study about the anatomy of another important region, that is stem. Let us initially begin with the anatomy of dicot stem. This figure describes about the transverse section of a dicot stem. As it can be seen from the figure, that the outermost layer is epidermis followed by hypodermis made up of parenchymatous cells. Then comes the innermost layer, that is endodermis, followed by pericycle consisting of vascular bundle and the followed by pith, which is considered as the centralmost part. Here the epidermal hair arising as projections from the epidermis is known as stem hair. Now let us understand the functions and importance of all the layers. In a dicot stem, the outermost layer, that is epidermis, is a single layered parenchymatous cell whose outer surface is covered with cuticle. Possessing hair-like projections which are multicellular in nature and are known as trichomes, which are also called as stem hairs. Within these epidermal layer, scattered stomata can be seen in few mount. Now, after epidermis and between pericycle, there is a three-layer zone which comprises of hypodermis following cortex following endodermis. The cells between epidermis and pericycle are arranged in multiple layers and constitutes the cortex. The hypodermis comprises of few collenchyma cells which is followed by cortex, which is multilayer parenchymatous cells, which is further followed by endodermis, which is considered the innermost layer, endodermis made up of parenchymatous cells and with no intercellular spaces, stores food products like starch, and therefore endodermis is also known as starch sheath. Out of the three layers, only cortex is the layer which possesses intercellular spaces. Then, following endodermis, a layer known as pericycle appears, which is located between endodermis and the phloem in the form of semilunar patches of sclerenchymatous cells. Following pericycle, a large number of vascular bundles, that is xylem and phloem, occurs. These vascular bundles are arranged in the form of ring, which is a specialized characteristic of dipode stem. In between vascular bundles, a layer known as medullary ring appears, which is made up of a few layers of radially arranged parenchymatous cells. Each vascular bundle is conjoined, collateral, and open. That is, in such vascular bundle of a dipode stem, both xylem and phloem are present, that is conjoined, where the phloem occurs radially outside the xylem, which is collateral, possesses cambium, that is open. Such a sort of vascular bundles occurs only in dipode stem. Such a vascular bundle is endark in nature in dipode stem, means that the protoxylem lies towards the inner side of the medulla while metaxylem lies towards the outer region. Then a large number of parenchymatous cells with intercellular spaces present occupy the central position known as PIC. Till now we have all studied about anatomy of a dicot stem. Now let us study about anatomy of a monocot stem. This figure describes about the transverse section of a monocot stem. Here similarly layers are arranged as that of a dicot stem, like epidermis followed by hypodermis consisting of vascular bundles like xylem and phloem, followed by ground tissue of sclerenchymatous cells. Here vascular bundles consist of a specialized cavity known as lysogenous cavity. Now let us understand all the layers in brief. Similar to that of dicot stem, the monocot stem possesses the outermost thick layer of cuticle which covers the epidermal layer of cell. It is followed by hypodermis, which is made up of 2 to 4 layers of pericymatous cell. Thus, all the layers of monocot stem possess the same function as that of layers of dicot stem, except a few like the ground tissue present in the monocot stem is not differentiated into various regions like cortex, endodermis, pericycle, medulla, and medullary base, but it is formed of round, thin, and oval shaped parenchymatous cells. In ground tissue, a large number of vascular bundles, which are each surrounded by sclerenchyma cells, are scattered within the ground tissue. Here, the vascular bundles located outside, like peripheral vascular bundles, are smaller than that of the vascular bundles located centrally. Like vascular bundles of dicot stem, here also vascular bundles are conjoined, collateral, but closed. Thus, vascular bundles in dicot stem is open but is closed in monocot stem. The phloem parenchyma is absent in such vascular bundles, but water-containing lysogenous cavity is present within these vascular bundles.